Okay, welcome to Adalo. What we're going to do today is we're going to make a simple Twitter clone just to kind of show you how to do it. Should take about 10 minutes. And, if you want, go do this yourself. You can try clicking the link and grab a free month of Adalo for yourself to try. So what we'll do a native mobile app, which can be used for iOS, Google Play, or for web app. I think web apps are amazing. They can be used everywhere. And we'll grab a blank canvas just so we're off to the races quick. We'll give it an original name like Twitter clone. We'll grab like a Twitter-ish blue just to kind of make it feel a little bit more like Twitter-like. And here we are. We're off to the races. So what is Twitter? Well, really, Twitter is just about users making tweets. So I usually like to start with setting up the database. So we've already got our users kind of pre-populated from Adalo. Thank you for that. So instead, we'll just do the tweets. So we'll have tweets. And what is a tweet? Well, a tweet is the tweet text. It's an image, tweet image, and then what we'll have it is the ability to like the tweets. So that'll be a relationship to the users. So a user can like multiple tweets. A tweet is no. A tweet can have multiple users like them, and a tweet can be liked by multiple users. So we'll say this is liked by. And then we'll have under users, we've got to have the other side, so tweets liked. And then also a user can author a tweet. So this will also be a relationship to users. And a user can author multiple tweets, and a tweet belongs to one user. So this is author, and then again we'll go to the other side, tweets authored. Okay, we're making progress. Our database is done. Who would have thought databases could be so easy? Now we're gonna make 3 screens. We're gonna make a home screen of all the tweets. We'll make a screen of just the tweets you've liked, and then we'll make a screen for the create a tweet. I'm going to make this look a little bit different than Twitter because, because I'm good at why not? I've already got in my head what I'm going to do. I want to have a nav bar at the bottom that is going to be showing the new tweets and your liked tweets. So we'll make this liked. And then we'll make the first one, sure, home is fine. And then what we'll do is we'll drop in the create a tweet button here. I want it to be a little bit higher. We'll make it that Twitter blue, and it will be an action. It'll link to a new screen. Create tweets. We'll grab this app bar just to make life a little bit easier. See, it already gives us the back button. And what we'll do is we'll put on a form on here. And the form is going to be a collection of the tweets. And what you're going to do is you're going to create a new tweet. And it's going to have the field of the tweet text, the tweet image. The tweet image will be optional. And then the author is going to be you, and that's automatically set. Thank you, Adalo. And then the submit button, create tweet button, will create the tweet. And we'll also have it link back. And we're actually done a lot of the hard work already. So now let's take a look at the home page. So the home page is going to be the tweet. So what we're going to do is we're going to make this into a list, listing all these things. But first we'll put the components together. So it'll be the tweet. It'll be the image. We've got to grab that text lower, but we'll make sure the image is there. And then we'll have the ability to like the tweet as well, which we'll do as a button as a toggle. A toggle just toggles between states. Now we can grab these, make them a list. Wow, we're basically almost there already. But you can see it's starting to look a little bit like an app, right? You can also see how Instagram or TikTok would work. Okay, so this is going to be a list of tweets. We'll do it as all tweets. And we can do the sorting as created date, newest to oldest. Then the image is going to be the current tweets, tweet image. The text will be the current tweets, tweet text. I forgot on the image, we want it to be only sometimes visible, if the current tweet's image is not equal to empty. So it'll only show if there's an image, because images aren't mandatory. And we should actually make sure then the fields for the tweet image, good, we already did that. It's not mandatory. Perfect. I'm ahead of myself here. Okay, now let's do the favorite one. So this is going to toggle the current tweets like by includes logged in user. We'll have the active button be making it heart because that's what people will associate, and then it should be kind of red. So let's make it red. That looks good. And then the inactive is going to be the other empty heart. And we're almost done here. Okay, so this is going to be all tweets, but then we said we wanted to have just a screenshot showing where you only see the liked tweets. So this is going to be, we'll call this liked tweets as a screen, liked tweets, and we'll rename the page to liked tweets. Interesting. And we're going to grab, so this is going to be the nav bar. So the nav bar is now going to have the second tab selected, and the first tab will be a link to home. While on home, we'll have the second tab link to liked tweets. And then we're going to have a filter on this. It's going to be a list of tweets, but not all tweets, only ones that are liked. Okay, I think we're just about ready to test this here. So if you can share, you're going to see this QR code here in a second, which is like pretty cool. So you can actually scan this if you want, and you can test this out. Oh, bad gateway. Why is it a bad gateway for me? Welcome to Product Testing 101, where things sometimes work in a funny way. Okay, let's sign up. test@email.com. Ooh, email, sure. If you want, you can test this out. The password is 1234. Okie dokie. Oh, we should have made handles and stuff. I'm doing this in a couple minutes, guys. Give me some slack. Okay, here we are. Now it's going to be empty because, of course, we don't have any tweets yet. So let's make one. Tweet 1. And let's make it, what is this, a screen up? Sure, the spicier. Okay, create tweet. Is it gonna work? Oh, where is it? There we go. Perfect. Let's make another one. Tweet 2. This can be, sure, global population forecast. And then we'll do a third tweet that has no image to test our no image if it's showing. So this should come up at the top. Okay. This could use a little bit more spacing, but this is doing roughly okay. And then we have got our liked, and it's empty because we haven't liked any yet. So let's like this this tweet 1. Oh, enter text. I should be changing that. That's okay though. And is it coming? There we go. Okay, we've just made a very simple Twitter. Of course, we could be spending a lot more time making this more advanced, but why don't you try doing something like this for yourself? It's really amazing what you can do in just a couple minutes. I really feel like anybody can build, so give it a try. Go click the link and see what you can build for yourself.